from Hair Trade, and today I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy Halloween style. So the first thing you'll need to do is spray your hair with your heat defense spray, brush that through, and then you just need to straighten all your hair. Now my hair is straightened, I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail using my extensions. So now to attach my extensions, I need to get another bobble, pick my ponytail up. Now I'm probably just going to place the bobble around here, so just about 2 inches away from the other bobble. So what we want to do is just get one piece of hair extension. Now it has got 3 clips on, so if you undo all the clips, flip that over, start with one end, wrapping that round your bobble and closing the clips. Get your other hair extension. Start with one end. And keep wrapping that around your bobble. You're going to get closer to your first bobble each section that you do that with. So that last one's closed. I always respray a bit of heat defense just to ensure it's all over the hair. Now as you can see, you can still see a bit of that. So what we're going to do to hide that is I'm just going to take one strand and just brush that, pick that up, turn it around onto the opposite side. We can spray that. And start wrapping that round. Ensuring you get all the hair. Now we're just gonna grip that into place from underneath. And then for your cat ears, if you get your headband and stick that on. And this is how to do a simple cat sleek back ponytail.